Come, little children, come with me. Safe and happy you will be. Away from your homes now, let us run. With Hypno you'll have so much fun. Oh, little children, please don't cry. Hypno wouldn't hurt a fly. Be free, be free, be free to play. Come down in my cave with me to stay. Oh, little children, please don't squirm. Those ropes I know will hold you firm. Hypno tells you this is true, but sadly Hypno lied to you. Oh, little children, you mustn't leave. Your families for you will grieve. The minds will unravel at the seams, allowing me to haunt their dreams. But surely all of you must know that it's time for you to go. Oh, little children, you weren't clever. Now you shall stay with me forever.